Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you guys a fun, easy eyebrow tutorial. Before I start anybody's eyebrow, I make sure that it's properly groomed. Before doing all of that, you also would need an angled brush, and I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. I outlined the bottom of the eyebrows with the angled brush, and I'll do the same thing towards the top. I try my best to sculpt the eyebrows in the shape that I desire. Then I go back and fill in the whole entire eyebrow. I try my best not to make it look too dark. So whatever product is in the eyebrow, I spread it throughout the eyebrows. Less is more when using that product. So now I'm thoroughly going through the eyebrow, making sure it's properly filled in and giving it brush-like hair strokes. Next, you will need a 242 brush by MAC Cosmetic and a lighter concealer or a concealer lighter than the skin tone to sculpt the eyebrows. Try using less product when sculpting the eyebrows. The less on the brush would make it much easier for you to have a razor sharp look. When sculpting the eyebrows, you can use liquid foundation or cream concealer, whichever one you know how to work best. When doing your eyebrows, make sure you take your time sculpting it. As you can see, I'm thoroughly touching the outline of the eyebrows. So I'm trying to sculpt and thin out at the same time to give it that razor sharp look. Slow and steady will make that baby look good. Believe it or not, a person may have the best eyebrows, but when it comes to sculpting, it's a different story. You can mess up a good looking eyebrow, natural eyebrows. Now to conceal the concealer, I'll be using Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Nutmeg for underneath her eyebrows and as an eyeshadow base when I do her shadow. All the brushes that I'm using will be in the description box. When you get close to the eyebrows with the foundation, try your best just to slightly touch the brow, thin it out, and cover up the concealer at the same time without messing it up. Now for the top of the eyebrow, this is my 1-2 technique. I'm going to mix two different shade foundation because as you can see, it's lighter than her forehead. So I'm using Nutmeg and I'll be using Carob in between Nutmeg. With this concealer brush, as you see, as I glide it across the top of the eyebrow, it blends straight down into the skin and it doesn't look lighter. To prevent that halo look, try your best to get as close as possible to the eyebrows. I'm very happy with this shape, and I always run my finger in the middle of the eyebrows just to make sure it doesn't give it that box shape. If you feel like too much foundation is on top of the eyebrows, feel free to blend it outwards more to thin it out. Next, I'll take my angled brush and shading both eyebrows towards each other to give it that fade effect. When doing eyebrows, you have to remember you will be sculpting, shaping, and fading at the same time. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twin, but you can try your best to make them twin-like. Remember, you guys, you'll be sculpting and shaping and shading at the same time. Sculpt, shape, and shade. Don't forget. And always remember to try your best to thin out the foundation around the eyebrows. And when you do apply your foundation, make sure you apply it as close as possible to your eyebrows so it can look nicely blended. So I'm happy with our eyebrows. This is my final touches. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. And please comment and let me know what you think. And stay tuned for part 2 of this video of her overall look.